Hey everybody, this is Stacey with SF Johnson Consulting and Construction Services. And in this video, I'm going to talk to you a little bit about our workshop, our reciprocity workshops, and in particular for the state of Alabama. If you currently hold a valid license in good standing in the states of Mississippi, Louisiana, Tennessee, and Arkansas, you can get your license in Alabama through reciprocity. Our workshops help you in terms of showing you everything you need, giving you the testing guide that you need to pass the test, and giving you your out of state checklist on everything and samples of everything you need. Okay, so reciprocity applies to building construction classification only in Alabama from those states. Okay, so again, for the state of Alabama and holding licenses in Mississippi, Louisiana, Tennessee, and Arkansas, reciprocity applies to building construction classification only. Okay, and it requires an active license, 3 years or more, with no violations. You must pass the Alabama Business and Law Test, and we assist you with that in our workshop. And we also assist with the full package if you are interested in that as well. If that does interest you, visit our website at sfjohnsonconsulting.com. You'll see reciprocity tab at the upper tabs, and click on that, and we can help you there. Okay, so you must pass the test, 3 years or more, and it only applies for building construction for that classification only. And so reach out if you have any questions at all about this. We'd love to assist you. And again, if you currently hold your license building construction in Mississippi, Louisiana, Tennessee, and Arkansas, you can get your license in Alabama through reciprocity. All right, this is Stacey. Reach out at education at sfjohnsonconsulting.com.